What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and I told y'all I was looking to go to another event here, so I'm about to head out in a few minutes to an event over at Biff Burger over in St. Pete for their event they call Mustang Monday. And you guessed it, I'm not taking the Tacoma either. I'm gonna take my Mustang over there. Now, I've been to the Biff Burger really only once for one of their car shows, and I actually really enjoyed it. It was kind of a slow event. They said it's dying, all this other stuff. It's not really, it's just they don't advertise their events very well. But that's beside the point. Hopefully we can get a little bit of attention on YouTube for this event. They used to have a lot more, but it's actually been under new management. I guess that could be a whole nother vlog almost, just about all their issues. But anyway, yes, I'm taking the Mustang over there to Mustang Monday. I'm gonna meet up, hopefully a couple of my Mustang friends will be there. Hopefully it won't be just me. But like I said, I've been there one time and I really enjoyed it. And I also don't usually do nighttime vlogs because it's kind of difficult, but you know what, let's do it. Let's see what we can see over there. I'm looking forward to this. This is an event that goes on every month on the first Monday of every month, so I'm excited. Anyway, without further ado, that's enough talking about it. I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down. I'm gonna get this cold start, and I'm gonna head on over.
Let's go!
Alright, as y'all can see, I made it. Traffic was not very kind tonight. It's pretty bad. A lot of slamming on the brakes, a lot of shifts into first gear, but we're here, parked next to this kind of work in progress SVO over here. Definitely, it's a nice mix of classics, because usually you show up to these events, it's like all S197s, S550s, so it's nice. I even saw a Mustang 2, which you never see those out, ever. So I'm probably gonna get started here in a minute. I'm gonna walk around, just see what they got. Eventually I'm gonna go get food, because the other part of coming to a place called Biff Burger is like, do you want a burger? over here in the background. Not the best turnout in the world, but it is getting to be summertime, so this is kind of when our car season starts to decline down here in Florida. But overall, talked to some old friends, met a few new people, which is pretty awesome. Be on the lookout for this on Instagram, which I'll put that on screen. As always, it is going to be in the link below. Hopefully y'all can hear me with all the traffic going on here in the background. But I'm actually going to head over to the Quaker Steak and Lube car meet. That's always a fun time. I don't usually vlog that one because I know it's been vlogged on the channel a few times, but definitely will post pictures from that. That's going to be pretty exciting. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. Do y'all want to see this one again in the wintertime once it's a booming meet again? If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. As always, I got more content coming. You know, this car over here. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.